Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin mash. First, choose a small, dense pumpkin, ideally weighing between 2 and 4 pounds. Thoroughly wash the pumpkin's exterior. Carefully cut the pumpkin in half, then use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and stringy bits from the center of each half. This preparation ensures a smooth and flavorful mash. Place the cleaned pumpkin halves cut side down on a baking sheet, ready for the next step. Now, let's roast our pumpkin to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet with the pumpkin halves into the preheated oven. Roast for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until the flesh is incredibly tender. You'll know it's ready when a fork easily pierces through the thickest part. Roasting brings out a rich, sweet flavor that boiling simply cannot achieve. Once roasted, let the pumpkin cool for about 10 minutes, making it easier to handle. Carefully scoop the soft, cooked flesh away from the skin using a large spoon. Discard the skin. Now, place the warm pumpkin flesh into a bowl and mash it thoroughly with a potato masher until smooth. For an even silkier texture, you can transfer the mashed pumpkin to a food processor and blend until completely creamy. To perfect your pumpkin mash, it's time for seasoning. Stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For added richness and a velvety texture, incorporate 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. If you desire a hint of warmth, a small pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg can be a wonderful addition. Serve your warm, flavorful pumpkin mash as a delightful accompaniment to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.